How to transfer money from Atlantic Bank to Digiwallet. Log in from the personal login screen on any of your digital devices. Once you are logged in, select Payments from the drop-down menu on the navigation bar. Then select Third-Party Credit Card Payment. Select the account you want to make payment from. Enter the credit card number that you will make the payment to. This is the number on the card. You can make a payment towards the Belize dollar balance, the US dollar balance, or both. You can also add a note for your reference. To send a notification to the third party, enter their email address or cell phone number. Review the payment details, including the name and the amount. If you need to make changes, click Back, make your corrections, and select Continue. Enter your token and click Submit. Your payment has been processed successfully. You have the option to save your transaction as a favorite by simply clicking Save Favorite, then enter a name for your favorite.